Good morning, everybody. I'm wearing this lip color today, which is so different to what I usually wear. What is it? MAC Devoted to Chili. I'm gonna do my hair in a minute. Where are we going today? I forgot what they're called. One of the popular markets. Myeong-dong markets, where all the foreigners go and buy some stuff. Am I doing yours?
What?
Your hair?
Yeah.
I'll do yours first because it won't take long. Just a curl, yeah.
I'm starving.
Oh, that's right. I forgot to say. I got this little coffee, French cafe brand. So cute. It's nice. It's very sweet. Do you want to try it?
What am I trying?
I don't know if you'll like it. This
French cafe.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah,
That
it's
tastes
nice.
like
it's quite sweet.
iced coffee from the library from school. So much like
back. I didn't take enough money yesterday, so I gotta take more.
You can do like that whole tax thing. So you've got to bring your passport, and then when you do the shopping, you show the receipt at the place that you bought it, and they give you back all the tax that you paid.
Oh yeah.
Because I do that.
Oh, I didn't know they can do that.
Yeah.
We're gonna live at this station. We're here all the time. All the time. Oh, it's not as packed right now. Early. How do you say it? Myeongdong.
Myeong-dong.
So I'm gonna say it again.
Myeong-dong.
Here we are.
Myeong-dong.
Look, TXT is up right now.
Yeah, I'll be your travel guide.
Where? TXT on the flags, on the poles. Oh yeah.
So a fan club must have put that up.
Oh my god. Of course they did.
Going straight.
No, I mean like
Do the stairs ever end in Korea? No. Innisfree green cafe. It's so cute. So tropical. This isn't real. It looks so real. Oh, look how cute they are. What are those little cakes?
wow, look at that huge tiramisu for the second. It smells like pancake color.
I haven't been here in so long. I miss it.
Yeah, yours is still not there. We'll have to wait for you.
Like I'm eating it, but just it tastes like an omelette.
Yeah, that's what I think. Like a souffle.
I don't know what this is. I think it was like maple, but it's very like a sugar.
I always go to Seoul. You know, if I ever come, we should definitely.
I tied my hair up because it's so thin and long. And Sonia and Priya went to the toilet. This cafe is so pretty. Nice view as well. What are you looking at?
The thing Priya puts on her lips, the lip mask. I've got mini ones here, like that you can give
Oh,
to
that's
people.
cute. Oh, that's good. Yeah, bits and stuff. They smell nice.
They're really, no, they smell terrible, but they're really hydrating. Pretty good gift.
That's what I need. Collagen. Anything with collagen I need. I'm not going to buy anything. I just want to see the price difference. Lush.
It smells so good.
I want to see how much everything is. Yeah, it's more.
Oh yeah, it's more.
Yeah, it's not heaped more. It's like a little bit more.
Barely, yeah.
Cute. 안녕. That is so cute. Oh my god, I like the cat.
That's from the company, Ping Pong.
Oh my god, the green cat looks miserable. I like that one. Oh, it's because of the plastic.
Last one.
Last one. Oh, 20. 20? Oh, you thought it was 10.
T-shirt 10,000.
10, yeah. Makes sense. I was like, that's cheap.
They have all these fake Supreme t-shirts. $10. Champion, Stussy. I like the Stussy one. I don't know if I should get one. So I wanted to get some fake brands. They look like men's though. I don't know. Yay, this one's open. I'm so excited. All I hear is American people talking about this place. So I've never been. I haven't. Really?
Maybe twice.
Yeah.
It's like a dressier version of H&M.
Oh, okay. 75% off. Sonia, do you want the grey one? Do you want the grey one? I'm gonna ask him.
Yeah, ask.
Where is he? Can we get 2 for 20?
Oh, do you have, sorry.
Oh. What?
He's not going to bring it down.
But he looks so angry.
Yeah.
So exhausted. We're going to find somewhere to eat. My bags are so heavy. Kill me now. I'm so tired. Bought so much stuff as well. Oh.
Here, if you want anything extra, you can add it onto it. So you can get cheese on it, or you want some soft rice cakes.
Do they have dumplings?
They didn't put dumplings into
Fresh cheese, chicken, galbi.
Shit, it looks good with cheese though, don't get me wrong.
Priya, what's the restaurant
I
called?
don't know, you're asking the wrong person.
What? But you ate here.
What's this
And you like it? Oh, it's in Korean something.
Yugane.
It's a rice. Oh,
Yugane.
it's a rice place.
No, is that seaweed? We were just talking about how we hate seaweed. And it's gonna go.
You can't taste it.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
We like seaweed though, so it's not something that you would go like, you know what I mean?
You can't taste it. There's no way you can taste that seaweed.
I didn't think that was ours because we were getting something else.
It turns red. They fried it in front of you.
And what's the orange thing?
It's the sauce.
Oh. I like that heat. It's a different person every time. Is that chicken? That's chicken, yeah.
That's chicken.
The wind just pushed it in my throat. The smoke.
You want it heat.
Yeah, no, but not smoke. What's happening?
Because you got your camera around.
Oh.
It's alright, it doesn't matter. It's not going to be as much as red. The red is what gives it
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
Sadly, we don't like it.
No, it's just, we like it. You don't like it. No, you don't. Don't like it. Don't like it in front of the camera.
I like it without the seaweed.
I would have liked it if there was no seaweed. Like it
I would
looks
have
fine.
eaten it. Fine.
Yeah.
I would like bacon best. Looks great.
Apparently this is really good.
We're not going to find
No,
a
no,
suitcase
you can't
for
find
30.
something for 30.
Okay.
What is
Very
it?
good.
How much?
55.
Oh, that's actually
That's
not
good.
bad.
Alright.
Hmm.
Cindy!
I got no money.
Sandy.
I know. You have, yeah.
Oh my lunch sale.
Oma. What color do you like?
Do you have this?
Which one? Pink color?
Like a...
The Gucci black one is nice.
No, this is
That
more
one.
expensive.
Oh, how much are
That's
these
not in my
then?
price budget.
What about this?
Yeah, but...
This is so cute. I like this one.
No.
But it's small.
That's backpack, yeah.
Oh, that backpack's really
Yeah.
cute.
Yeah, I like it.
Which color do you like?
I have
We're buying
$10,000. What can that get me?
10? No, no, no.
No, that's like...
Give me.
Okay. I have 10,000 in my wallet right now.
Okay, so 20,000 I think.
Hey.
But I can't.
For which one?
Like this kind of. Well,
This
cannot
or
20,000, but produce your friend, okay?
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
I will. Okay.
So 20,000 I think.
The only friend we have is her here.
Yeah, we have no friends.
What color do you like?
I can't because I have 10,000, so I can only spend 10,000. But
20,000.
it's okay because we have a suitcase. Now,
Okay.
So it's okay. I'll put everything
Wait,
in
which
there
one
now.
do you want? I'll give you 10.
Now put in?
Why?
Oh, can we put it in now?
Okay,
Yeah,
fine.
yeah, we'll do it now. Can
Alright.
my hands
Oh,
80.
80. Oh my god.
I would put it.
But it's not real Gucci.
Well, the real one would be like $3,000.
yours.
Oh, yeah.
Very expensive.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like it.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah. My friend got one this size and it was $4,000. The real.
What brand is that?
Yeah, the real one. $4,000 she saved up. So
Whoa.
that way. And there's a lock.
Oh, very heavy.
Oh,
Really?
More than 20 kilos?
Right.
Oh no.
No, that's not that.
Wait.
Okay, fine.
Let me feel it.
Let me feel it.
Fine.
Oh,
Hello.
7 kilos?
No problem, you said.
Maybe.
Password is 000 here.
000.
If you want number change,
Oh,
plug
cool.
here,
Yep,
and then number change.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Alright.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much.
Thank
Plug it to your friend.
Thank you.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, come on.
Oh, deja vu. We're back in the same spot.
Oh, we are. Except we were like 10 times hungrier when we were in this spot.
No one's buying it. We're like blocking everyone.
Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Why did I wear flats? Oh, I'm in so much pain. Is this all the same store? It's all the same? Same? Oh, there you are. So Sonia.
I'm just trying to come in because the steps only.
Here, there you are. I got a basket.
Or vanilla. Nah, vanilla's just like a big saucer.
Not green tea. Are you getting it? Nah, I'll share with you.
Oh my god.
The biggest ice cream you ever seen.
Oh. She doesn't like tip
That's like your dream. You love ice cream.
I don't really like ice cream.
Don't hit anyone with it.
It's like a soulmate thing. You like lean your head over it instead of me tipping the whole saucer.
Oh god, that looks so wrong.
Open your mouth, man.
Oh, it's cold.
That's
It's nice. It's like a sorbet. That's actually better, like, than ice cream.
Yeah.
Sorbet.
That's really nice. It's like mango nectar sort of.
Yeah.
Well, that's good for my juice craving that I wanted.
Mum would love that.
No wait. Two birds. Sometimes I say 2 stones, 1 bird.
That would like last longer than ice cream, like staying up.
Yeah.
Yeah. I dropped my ice cream. Oh, now I gotta hold this. We're looking at street food.
Oh, Kajon. I love Kajon.
What's that?
Korean pancake. It's Korean savory pancake. It's really nice. It's chicken feet.
Oh, I don't want to show that anymore. Oh my god, they're lighting shrimp on fire. Oh, sorry.
You want to transfer your
Which
stuff
one?
into that
Did
bag?
you
You
get?
want to go to
With a brown
plain
sauce.
one.
yeah, you give me that and I'll
We're going home finally to eat. Hallelujah. This is back to our favorite place. No, the station in general. Because we're always here.
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Hey, you didn't get any of your bows.
What?
There were 10,000. Jesus Christ.
What a long day.
Oh, it's
So feet. Yeah, I forgot my drink. What are we gonna eat? at the Korean shop.
In my apartment.
And the face is oily. I can't believe that lady. My face is oily.
Is my face oily?
Something fell out. But your bag's open.
Because I'm drinking from it right now, but something. Oh, here, your phone. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I haven't had this yet.
NeNe chicken for dinner.
But how do we know what we want? You can't just go in and order for something. Okay, well, we've had biscuits before.
Yeah, I've never tried it. I've only had someone else's one.
I got fries. You want fries, right?
Oh, did you get fries? Oh.
And cheese.
Oh, and cheese sticks. I gotta try this because you're obsessed with cheese sticks.
I'm obsessed with cheese sticks. I just like cheese.
Thank you.
Now you tell me to push your chair
looks
and then you don't
huge.
even push yours in. He pushed it in for you.
Cheese sticks, some fries.
One more
Can we get to
100
the
grams.
chicken?
And one with a little bit more.
Oh yeah, the
Let's try some.
Not yet.
We get a free drink.
Oh,
Like built into the box.
oh nice. That's cool.
I'm trying to act surprised, but I already knew. Oh. That's so cool. They didn't even ask us. I'm like Pepsi.
Well, another one for me. Priya, I have to like really strategically do this so I don't get your vagina in there. Can you imagine? I've been like taken off YouTube forever.
Ew.
It's your coat. I'll have that.
Cool. That's like
Why would they put
fermented
this
milk,
with
yeah?
chicken?
No, it's not fermented milk.
It's like
It's
probiotic
after
milk.
chicken. Yeah, no, it's
Oh
probiotic. but it's
yuck, I
not
can't
milk.
imagine how that would taste.
Oh, it looks milky. Shut it.
No, I like drinking it. It's
What's
quite nice.
this?
Wow, they really like
Sugar?
people.
Oh, this is like a salt.
And that?
Oh,
must
is
be
that for the
chicken
chips?
It's for the salt. It's for this.
Oh,
Yum.
they should have gave us one for the chips too. What's that?
Let me check. Oh,
Salad?
that's pickled radish. I don't think you would like that. That's mustard.